An automatic feeder. It can be used for feeding. Then you can see the automatic lathe, do the CNC lathe. Automatic feeding of vibrating plate.
Automatic drilling process features. Hardware precision parts can be turned. Processing efficiency, high precision. Plastic injection molding. Plastic wrap is a secondary injection molding process. The products can be used in household products, electronic products, electrical products, smart home, and other industries.
Industrial Motivate the Future.